In this video, we're going to be looking over this Minolta Weathermatic Dual 35mm film camera. And while I'm getting this one ready for sale and checking it over, I thought I'd do it on video here and hopefully show the things that you'll want to see as to function. I've got a scrap roll of film and a Type 223 battery, and these do not come with it, but they are here just for our testing purposes. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the battery compartment, and I've got a penny here to put in this slot that opens like that. It looks like it takes, I see something about some type of 4 1.5 volt batteries. I wonder if they're AAA or, yeah, I think they're AAA. I don't see contacts down in there for some of them. I don't know how that would work. But anyway, I have this Type 223 battery, and we're just going to drop that down in, close the door, and then latch it with this penny. Okay. And so now it should be all set. We can turn it off, we can turn it on, we can see this camera has, it has a zoom feature, though it's not a continuous zoom, it's just you get one lens focal length or another, and we can watch that right here in the window and in the viewfinder. So that's functioning. Now if we open up the back here, now we can see this camera, it has an area here for this gasket on the door to mate up with and make it waterproof. I have not checked for how waterproof this is, if it actually is, but it looks good. So let's load this roll of film right here. This is a roll that I've loaded myself, and it's been used many times, but let's do that. We've got that over in the take-up area, and let's see what happens when we close it. Okay, we hear it running, and I see now there's a position, film picture 1 showing in the window, so it's apparently advanced it to where it needs to go. Let's pop off the shutter and see if it advances. It did. So now there's a little dot showing. It looks like they've got, yep, different ones there. So now it's on picture 3, I think. Let's look at the front here. I'm going to shut off this light and see if I can trick it into flashing. No, that's not the shutter. Here. No, it didn't go off. Let's see what else. Wonder how I have to turn on that flash. I don't know how to do that. It automatically flashes. There it flashed. Okay. And again. Okay, so the flash is working. It probably sat for a long time without being operated, and just needed to rejuvenate a little bit. Okay, now it's already reached the end of the roll, and now it should be rewinding. We see it counting backwards here. It's going back to where it should be safe to open up the back. And the film has all been wound back into this cartridge here, and we could process that if we wanted to, if it were good film. So just looking at the back here, it's got this pressure plate that flips down. That looks to be okay. I had kind of scanned around this gasket here, and I think it looks good around there, so it should be sealed. The door latch, you have to manually latch that. There's an on-off switch on the top. The battery compartment, if I open that up again, I can find my penny. Here it is. That also has gasket around here to make it waterproof. We'll take the battery out since that's not included. And the strap looks to be in good condition. It's a yellow and black Minolta strap that matches the camera. So, looks like a fairly nice example of the Minolta Weathermatic Dual 35mm film camera.